Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change hotspot password in Vivo Y53s phone. Guys, you want to change your hotspot password, so you can change it. In this video guys, I will show you how to change it. So let's see how to change hotspot password. So I first of all open your phone setting to change it. Then guys click on network and internet. Hotspot guys, click here. Wi-Fi hotspot. Guys click on password and guys tap here and guys cut the password. So which password guys you want to change, like that side, like example guys I'm telling this 9876545432 and guys we will add a b c d and guys okay. And guys now let's see, password has changed in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change hotspot password in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.